Honestly, may tinitingnan akong bahay. Yun. Pero ano kasi, ayokong umutang. So, I ran it through Boy and medyo kinontra pa ni Boy.
Okay.
Sinabi pa ni Boy na I'll allow you if we close 2 more deals. Kasi ayaw niya na yung savings parang ano, sabi niya okay lang sa kanya na bahay yon maganda daw, pero feeling niya na ang mahal. Eh sabi ko, babahay na eh. So nag-ano pa kami. Sabi niya sa akin, if it's meant for you, it will happen. Pero marami akong tinitingnan kasi it's Josh. He really wants. Kasi siya yung si Bim happy na eh kung saan kami. Yung isa kong talagang nagsasabi, Mama, let's have a house. So parang ako naman, sige, let's try. Yung isa kong doon na lang kami forever, he's okay. But yung kuya ang naghahanap kasi nga mas fit siya, mas gusto niya to be in a village kasi he jogs, he bikes and all. So yun, I have to so pinag-iipunan ko yun for them.
Miss Chris, okay. Yung sa Timberland na ba? Land, wala na yun.
Alam mo naman yung sagot, di ba? Oo. So, wag na yun. Yung and kailangan mas malapit sa amin. Malapit sa trabaho kasi ayokong maubos yung ko, kinikita ko sa Skyway. Meron ako nakita kasi na in love talaga akong property sa Alabang, pero ang layo kasi talaga, hindi practical. Si Louie, tumanggi. Dahil daw pag live ako, baka on air na wala pa ako.
Miss Chris, tanungin lang kita, yung kay Mariel saka kay Robin, buti nagkaayos na yung mag-asawa kasi nagkaroon ng issue.
Ito, can I just end this once and for all?
Okay.
I was also young. I was also immature. Yung parang, pinagdaanan ko rin naman yan before, kaya inunawa ko na lang. And diba, a series will end. Kami, by April, we're done. But hopefully, a marriage is forever.
Okay.
So yun lang. And it was not worth any conflict. And parang kahit na maraming nanunulsol sa akin and all, hindi ko pinansin talaga kasi wala naman ako mapapala doon eh. At ang importante, mapanatili nila yung pagmamahalan nila sa isa't isa.
She was saying thank you to you for being a nice ate.
Super nice talaga, no?
Pero,
Were you surprised? Kasi diba, even before may interview pa na sinabi mo na...
I don't wanna talk about it na kasi it's finished na. I'm dying na nga in the series, diba? So, obviously, hindi na yan mangyayari ulit. Meron na ibang pinagdadaanan si Roxanne. Bakit? Totoo no. Uy, aminin nyo, naiiyak kayo. Dahil I'm dying.
Just pag Valentine's Day ba and birthday mo, umabati pa rin si James kahit pa.
Why do you keep asking about him? Regalo nyo na sa akin na wag na natin siya
Di
pag-usapan.
ba friends naman kayo?
No, we're not. I already answered that. You're being mean to me on my birthday.
naman.
You are. Di ba sinagot ko na kanina? At pag gusto ko lang maging polite at ayoko makasakit ng damdamin kasi kung kwerda sa inyo ako, baka ano pang masabi ko, it's fasting and abstinence today. Ang hirap kaya. Di ba ganun pag gutom ka? Kung ano-ano masasabi mo, I'm sorry. Isang hard-boiled egg pa lang at vegetable juice ang naiinom ko kasi sinasacrifice ko. baka ko ano masabi ko tapos ako na naman ang bad. Ay, bagay sacrifice, the key to paradise.
Isang question na lang.
Your birthday gift from Pinoy.
Wala. No, he doesn't have to give me anything. It's more than enough na every time meron akong out of town, inaako niya yung the kids stay with him.
Okay.
And it's more than enough na the last time when I did that Jensen, pinlano pa niya talaga. As in, nanood silang movie, kumain sila sa labas. Yung parang wala na akong mahihingi kasi kung ano man ang kakulangan doon sa male figure in the lives of my two sons, the busiest man in the Philippines makes time for them. So okay na yun. And ano talaga, oo, tapos yung ano pa, kasi super concerned pa siya, yung PG-13 hindi niya pinayagan. Kasi, kasi daw parental guidance, so baka daw matira siya dahil hindi naman daw siya yung parent. So hindi sila nanood. So parang, down to earth, so bongga. And ano talaga, anytime kasi hindi siya makano pag si Josh na yung nag-text. So yun lang, na parang in all fairness talaga, I could not ask. He doesn't have to give me anything material. It's more than enough that he gives his time to my sons.
Isang hirit na lang, Chris.
Go. Before I leave.
Di ba, nagkaroon ka ng mga failed relationship
With an S.
With S.
Relationship with mga
Relationships with an S.
Relationship with mga tunay na lalaki.
Relationship.
Have you ever
Ang kulit
entered
niya.
your mind na magkaroon naman ng a beautiful insanity with someone like Reggie?
No. Honest to God, may sinimala yung ino-offer sa akin that has that aspect.
Okay.
But, again, pinabasa pa namin sa, may dalawa kasing multinational na malalaki talaga kontrata ko. And kahit na role yon,
Yes.
I need their approval. Kasi, di ba, I sell their milk, I sell their detergents, or ano. So, parang, yun ang na-realize ko na I want to challenge myself as an actress, but first and foremost, I have a responsibility because meron ako mga napirmahang kontrata. Yun calls for a kiss with a girl. And it calls for a physical act sa pagkatao ko at sa sarili ko na pinagdadasal pa namin kasi on cam kailangan kong i-shave yung ulo ko.
Natalie Portman.
And Anne Hathaway level, 'di ba? Pero of course napag-agrihan na one ganun lang. But of course that's tinapyas ko yung dito eh. So talagang yung pinag-uusapan pa namin yon. I want to do it because may guaranteed international siya. Pero, oo, at malaki, direct, the one who did Buakaw. Yes, and parang, nung nabasa ko yung letter nila sa akin, at nung pinadala nila yung storyline, sobrang talagang, kakasabi ko lang that day, ayoko na umarte, ayoko na. Tapos biglang nabasa ko, sabi ko, oh my God, gusto ko ata. Pero yun, takot na takot ako kasi nga, kung tumanggi man ako doon, can I make it clear na it was not my decision but the endorsements. And yung also na ginagalang ko lang kasi may mga kontrata talaga sa kanila. Even if you're an actress and you want to portray a role, pag sensitive na, although talagang it's about female empowerment and ang ganda-ganda kasi nung tagline. Doon nila ako nakuha. We all thought we knew her story. Watch her rewrite it. Pero talagang yun talagang ko. So, sinabi ko lang nakilabutan na ako, di ba? Tapos guaranteed siyang may Hong Kong na screening, may mga ganon. Pero kung hindi matuloy, hindi siguro para sa akin. Pero the fact na kinonsider nila ako na ganun ka-powerful, kasi yung Hong Kong Film Foundation ba, yung magsasubmit ka ng script, tapos pagpipiliin nila from the script, yun dun yun. Tapos sabi ko, ako, boy, nagkamali ba sila? Or sa akin talaga to pinadala? Yun talaga pero yun nga ang problema.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much.